how to turn on or turn off sound amplifier on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, tap on sound amplifier. If you do not have sound amplifier, you will need to install it from the Play Store. Okay, so open up sound amplifier, and to turn it on, you can choose phone mic. So you can choose phone mic or headphone mic. If you are listening to Samsung Music, to your media, videos, or watching YouTubes or videos on Facebook, then you can choose phone media instead. And make sure you turn on the boost button so that it will boost your phone media audio. And that's it. Here you can boost quiet sounds, you can boost high or low frequencies. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on. Or if you want to switch it off, just tap on the off button to turn it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.